Welcome to Mom and Me Bombs. Today we are showing rock cookies.
With shells that are crispy outside and chewy inside, sandwiching a sweet buttercream filling, these treats are a taste of sensation. These light, airy and delicate treats will satisfy even the strongest of the sweet tooth. These are the ingredients. 1 cup of almond powdered, 2 egg whites, 3/4 and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt and food color of your choice. Ingredients for buttercream filling: 150 gram of unsalted softened butter, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and butterscotch flavor 1 to 2 drops. Using a sieve, sift the 1 cup of powdered almond. It should be powdered properly. Sieve such that the lumps all should be removed. Then the powdered sugar should also be sieved. That is 3/4 cup. The remaining 1/4 cup is left for using with the egg white. Now mix this both in a bowl and keep that aside. Into the 2 egg whites add little salt and whisk it with an electric beater till it turns out creamy. Once you're sure it's creamy, add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and beat it again. Add the remaining sugar. Make sure you beat it till a stiff peak forms. See? Separate this into 2 bowls and into each one add 1 or 2 drops of food color and mix it well. We used blue food color and red food color gel. These are available in the market. Into each of these bowls, add the sugar almond flour and mix it by folding in. Do the same with the other. In between, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Main ingredient of our rock cookies is ready. In today's episode, we are showing you how to transfer the cream into a piping bag in an easier method by using a glass. Just watch. Now transfer the mixture into the piping bag and cut the edge of the piping bag as shown here. If you liked our video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Now into a baking pan, place a butter paper and using the piping bag, shape the dough as you can see here. Make sure to keep spaces between those shapes. It should be in round shape, like forming spirals. Remove the air bubbles and keep it aside for 30 minutes before baking. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 or 15 minutes or till it's cooked. Now to make the buttercream filling, into a bowl take the 150 gram of unsalted softened butter and whisk it with an electric beater. Into that add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and beat it. Getting a butterscotch flavor, add the butterscotch gel 1 to 2 drops. Here the buttercream filling is ready. Meanwhile, our cookies are ready. See? Now let it cool down, and once it's cooled, take each one of the same size like shown here and then fill it with the buttercream filling. This buttercream filling was filled in the piping bag to make it more easier. Place the same top on it. See, our buttercream filling rock cookies are ready. Repeat the procedure with all those cookies. Not only do they show off nicely, but they taste like heaven. They are so delicate and amazing. The first bite is a light and flaky cookie. See, our rock cookies are ready to serve. They are really tasty.
It's attractive and tasty. Try this and give us your comments.
Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thank you.